Join me as I take on the challenge of making the most delicious vegetarian spring rolls in Bali. As I stand here surrounded by the lush green landscapes and vibrant colors of Bali, I'm excited to share with you a fresher and healthier take on a classic dish that's perfect for this tropical paradise: vegetarian spring rolls. Many people think that vegetarian dishes lack flavor, but I'm here to prove them wrong. Spring rolls are an excellent example of how you can pack a lot of flavor into a small, delicate package. The key is to use a variety of textures and flavors that complement each other. In this recipe, we'll be using a combination of crunchy veggies, fragrant herbs, and savory spices to create a truly unforgettable taste experience. When you think about it, the biggest misconception about vegetarian food is that it's boring or bland. But the truth is, vegetarian dishes can be incredibly flavorful and creative. Take spring rolls, for instance. The fillings can vary greatly, and you can experiment with different combinations of ingredients to create unique flavor profiles. Another great thing about vegetarian spring rolls is that they're incredibly versatile. You can serve them as an appetizer, a snack, or even as a light meal. And the best part is they're surprisingly easy to make, as long as you have the right ingredients and a bit of practice. Fresh ingredients are essential when it comes to making spring rolls. You want to use the freshest, most colorful veggies and herbs you can find. In Bali, we're lucky to have an abundance of local seasonal produce that's perfect for this recipe. From crunchy carrots and cucumbers to fragrant cilantro and Thai basil, every ingredient adds its own unique flavor and texture to the dish. To start, we'll be preparing our fillings. This includes shredding the veggies, chopping the herbs, and cooking the noodles according to the package instructions. It's essential to use a variety of textures and flavors to keep the filling interesting, so don't be afraid to get creative and add your own favorite ingredients. As we prepare our fillings, make sure to handle the ingredients gently to avoid bruising or breaking them. This will ensure that our spring rolls look as good as they taste. And speaking of looks, let's talk about the art of assembling the spring rolls. Wrapping spring rolls is an art form that requires a bit of practice, but with a few simple tricks, you can create beautiful, tight rolls that are sure to impress. The key is to start with a clean, dry surface and to handle the wrappers gently to avoid tearing them. As we assemble the spring rolls, make sure to add a small amount of filling to the center of the wrapper, leaving a small border around the edges. This will ensure that the filling doesn't spill out as you wrap the roll. Then simply fold the bottom half of the wrapper over the filling and wrap the roll tightly but gently. With a few simple folds and wraps, you should be able to create beautiful, delicate spring rolls that are sure to impress your friends and family. And the best part is they're incredibly easy to make as long as you have the right ingredients and a bit of practice. So to summarize, making vegetarian spring rolls in Bali is all about using fresh, local ingredients, combining a variety of textures and flavors, and mastering the art of assembling the rolls. With a bit of practice, you can create delicious and beautiful spring rolls that are sure to become a favorite in your household. Thanks for joining me on this culinary adventure in Bali. I hope you've been inspired to try making vegetarian spring rolls at home. Don't forget to share your experiences in the comments below. And if you want to see more fresh and delicious recipes, be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell.